Alright, so first I would like to say welcome to the Outdoorsman channel. This is my first ever official video, and it really is a special one. I am mating today and helping out Captain John Halkias, aka the Jigging Jerk, from Just Fishing Charters. This trip is actually a charter with the John Skinner package. Big shout out to them, and all their information will be linked in the description. Back to the video. This one is actually on our customer's 40-foot Intrepid, and what a boat it proved to be. Today I was delighted to fish along with Ryder and Hayden, who showed themselves to be great fishermen. You'll see throughout, not only my video, but John Skinner's as well, how independent they are and how they have the will to learn and do things by themselves.
Yeah.
Nice. So in this video, what I basically try to do is highlight like the behind the scenes of what goes on fishing charters and what the mate really does. So here you see John caught, you know, a decent sized fluke, and he's just gonna hand it right over to me, and I'm gonna take care of it from there. You know, I'm gonna bleed it, measure it, do whatever I have to do. Warning there if you're not into seeing bloody fish, but there's a lot of work. This whole trip I was doing a lot of things around the boat, cleaning up, wiping down the deck, bleeding fish, different stuff like that. Tying leaders, for example. It's a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun if you're into it. And that is cold in there. Oh my god.
So make sure these rods, if you got a fish, one rod bends. It's quite a bit of fish in there. Reserve. The rod itself bends and keeps.
And it's going to be, I'm going to say 5 pounds, 4.5 to 5.
What if Skinner misses it with the net? That would be really bad. I mean,
easy.
And just keep them moving. There the big, beautiful fluke. Keep them moving. All right, keep moving. Yeah! There you go. Beauty.
Nice.
Way to go. All right, push the button on the reel.
So you can see that was a nice fish right there. Always exciting to see the kids get really excited from catching a fish by themselves. And this was the same clip. I just edited it a little bit.
No,
I
it looks
walked
like a
around
fish.
the boat, and then I see him hook up to another fish, which is just absolutely amazing that happened. And they turned out to be 2 pretty nice fish.
Alright, I'm right here. I'll take care of it.
You know what?
All right. Cutting the leader here, Skinner.
I'm going to help out him.
I got it.
I have another fish.
Well, somebody.
Here, Skinner. So, remember what we said? Insanity for a while? All right.
And I just did a quick comparison right here to show you guys like really how big this fish is compared to my foot. And I'm a size 10.5, which is pretty decent size.
Yep.
And yeah, that was a nice fish.
Alright, that's a nice one. I got it. I'll here. That's a keeper? You guys measured it?
Which one's mine?
This big one.
Was the biggest one of the day?
I think so.
Yes.
Definitely. John.
It's still cold, that water?
Yeah. I'll throw some more ice in.
I called
So this rod that I'm actually using right here is a VRC
Now we'll
rod
never know.
that is American made. It is being beta tested right now, and they are going to partner with Jigging Jerks to create this rod and bring it into production within the next couple of months. I actually caught a 6-pounder on it, but didn't get it on video, unfortunately, and it felt great, ultra light, and it handles the fish really good as well.
You're doing it quicker. And you know, guys.
Yeah,
No, it's a keeper. Yeah, definitely.
you're gonna have to measure it. It
Yeah.
probably is.
Skinner.
What?
Boss.
No, seriously. I don't think he's that big.
I think.
That's probably like 19, 20 inches.
Thank you.
I'll take that.
Yep.
How does it feel? Yeah, that's the night ranger. All right, don't morse it.
Yeah. Just keep reeling.
So we had like 3 fish on just now. You
See fluke shakes?
no.
Yeah.
You want me to measure? Right here.
Yeah, please, thanks. Got him?
Got him.
I'm gonna get.
Oh, where's the?
Yeah, no, I don't think almost for sure it's good.
Might be.
Way to go!
Hey, Dad, I caught my first keeper.
Well, I think
We gotta measure.
we gotta measure him.
Oh,
Got it out.
oh, the tape measure's back here.
Got it?
Yeah, it's back here.
So you could see right there in that clip that the
Alright.
fluke actually led me to the tape that we lost earlier. And, you know, put himself in the bucket, basically.
You know what? That's what this is. This will be easy.
Nose. That's Skinner. I don't know about that one.
Ryder uses not keeper.
That's a keeper. Let me see.
This one is.
He looks 17 now, but I see him close.
19.
I think he's okay. Chris?
Take it.
Let me see.
That's fine.
He's 19.
That's on the nose. Yeah.
19 on the nose.
Here we go.
All right, I gotta retie your rig. I just cut it. Where's your pole? Oh, right there.
Here we go. Nice fish, Ryder.
Where's the rod? There it is. No. That's not good.
The reason why we bleed the fish is to basically preserve the meat better. It turns whiter and it tastes a lot better. So the way you want to do this is you want to get right behind the gill plate, stick your knife in there, and just cut as many gills as you can to help optimize the meat quality.
And who put you on the fish that day?
We followed this blue aluminum boat around.
No.
And he put us on the fish.
Sorry. Oh, you want me to give him the big one or the
Small. Yeah.
So here is our little interaction with the blue jay. We brought ice bags in the morning, but they didn't hold up, it all melted, so we had Rick come by and get us a bucket full of ice.
$500 a bucket, you know.
Plus tax entitlement. This is so much ice.
He has a nice machine.
Well, he has a nice machine on board.
Yeah, I have one too.
He has a nice machine in his face. They're doing good. Looks on fire, man. Every time I look, that's how many cubics he has. What's the limit? 4 guys.
Okay.
Cliffy, you want to hold it?
You have a gaff?
We're going to do it by net, or how do you want to do it? By hook or by crook? How many keepers you got, Cliff? I have 9 keepers. Wow.
You have 9.
No, hang on. Oh, 10. Wow.
Wow, Cliff.
It's been an epic day. Now, I said to Cliff, it's the last time he's fishing on this boat, okay?
And this is just crazy here by Cliff, who said he has 10 keepers. That is that's a lot for one trip. I think that was our combined total for the whole boat after this charter. And the fact that if they didn't have him on board, they only would have had 2 fish, which is crazy to say.
That's how we break rods. And
Yeah.
close them out. Hold on. We're gonna do this right. Go. Mouth closed. Mouth closed.
Definitely.
20 inches, Skinner, with the mouth closed.
19, I think.
19?
19.
plus. Yeah, it's good.
19, yeah. Bleed them first, right?
Yeah. Bleed them and actually put them in the bucket. Let them bleed out.
Oh, actually, yeah, we're getting there.
So you can see us passing by the point over here. It was an amazing boat. You can see those Yamaha V8s in the back. I think top speed was around 60 miles an hour, and we went from the point to Greenport in 45 minutes, which is absolutely insane considering it usually takes us an hour to get there. So I think this clip is at wide open and we hit around 60 miles an hour. Now comes the best part of the day, cleaning the boat. I mean, it's great when you hear the seagulls in the background. You're scrubbing down the boat after having a great day of fishing. It's just truly, you know, it's a good experience. And this is just a little clip of the boat departing. What a wonderful day I had. Great to see those kids, you know, explore the wonders of fishing, and what a great boat.